All right, we're gonna go over now the Valentine's Day challenge. We're gonna use the Can't Help Falling in Love progression, just the verse, and we're gonna use this strum pattern. That Hawaiian claw pattern that we taught, that I showed you, but we also learned that from Jonah, okay? So if I'm just gonna play the piece here for you, no backing tracks, although there will be backing tracks that I would like you to play with. There's actually a slow and a fast backing track. All right, and you actually will do that 2 times. So let's go over. Just grab your C chord. Okay, we're just going to start off with that claw. So remember that down with the index, down with the thumb. That's just on beat 1. So it's just one strum. And notice it's not, you don't have to do this. It's just literally one strum. Start off that way. So it's 1, and then up with the index, down with the index, up with the index, okay? So that claw is gonna happen on beat 1 and beat 3 of each measure. So if we do it slow, just on the C chord for now, down with the claw, up, down, up, claw, up, down, up, claw, up, down, up, and claw, up, down, up. All right, so that's the pattern right there. Now, if we do it, let's just do the first 2 measures, which is C for 2 beats, E minor, and then A minor for a whole measure. Okay, so it's gonna sound like this: 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now A minor, 2, 3 and 4. And, okay, so notice all it is. Just remember claw on beats 1 and 3, and the rest of it's just gonna be the up, down, up with the index finger. Okay, so let's do it. Here we go. The whole progression of the verse. 3, and we're gonna do it twice right now, just like you have to do it for the challenge. And now again, so C. And that's it. So 2 times, and then the last one you're gonna do the claw as well, right on that C chord. All right, so that's the Valentine's Day challenge that is due by 8:30 a.m. on Friday, Valentine's Day, right before our Q&A. I want to do a little bit before the Q&A. We have time to watch the last submission. So anyway, get your video, get it up with the backing track. I'll post it all. I'll send an email out and also have it posted here in the community. Get your video posted to YouTube, copy that link, paste it right here in the community, get it in by Friday, February 14th, Valentine's Day by 8:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Good luck to you, and I can't wait to see all your video submissions.